Hello everyone, Vlad here. In this short video I'm gonna show you what will happen to your ceilings if you will decide to remove the tiles. Our customers ask us from time to time what will happen if I remove the tiles, will it destroy my ceilings? In this little video we're gonna show you what actually will happen. Now these panels were installed last week for another video, and now we're gonna take them off. So have a look. This is tile number 1. Now, as you can see here, in some spots, the paper of the drywall was torn apart. This is what will happen, but there is no any permanent damage to the drywall. So basically, this you will not need to replace the drywall of your ceilings. It will need to be patched and can be either painted or other tiles can be applied on top of it. This is it. Thanks for watching.